Make a great choice today with the 2019 911. 911, safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.